Hello all, welcome to Live Jobs Info. Today I got a new job notification for you. Before we get into the video, I request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get daily job updates. In order to apply, just visit our website www.livejobsinfo.com, or else you can also find the link in the description. You can also apply through it. Here we can see that there are so many job vacancies and the internship. I request you to please apply if you are eligible. Just visit our website. Here we can see that Cashew Infotech is hiring for internship. I have already done a video on this. Just find the link in the description. And here we can see that Oracle is hiring for software development senior manager. Capgemini is hiring for software software analyst. Sorry. Amazon is hiring for quality service engineer, and Oracle is hiring for software developer. Amazon is hiring for QA technician. Infosys BPM is hiring for system engineer. HSBC is hiring for trainee software engineer. Tech Mahindra is hiring for test engineer. Dell Technologies is hiring for senior system engineer. There are so many other job opportunities also. Just find the links in the below description, or else you can also visit our website www.livejobsinfo.com. There are so many videos also in YouTube. I request you to please subscribe so that you won't miss any of the job opportunities updates. I request you to please go through them. Now let us see how to apply for Oracle. Oracle is hiring for software development senior manager. Here are the complete details. Just go down. In order to apply, just visit our website, or else just go through the link in the description. If you visit through website, you need to just find it in, you can find it in the home page, or else you can also search in the search bar, so that you will be able to get this notification. Here we can see the complete description of this. As all of us know, Oracle is a very good company. Here you can see the complete description of this organization. Larry Ellison co-founded Oracle Corporation in 1977 with B.O.B. Minor and Ed Patz under the name Software Development Laboratories (SDL). Ellison took inspiration from the 1970 written paper by Edgar on Relational Database Management System (RDBMS), named a relational model of data for large shared data banks. He heard about the IBM system database from an article in the IBM Research Journal provided by Oates. Ellison wanted to make Oracle's product compatible with System R, but failed to do so as IBM kept the error codes for their DBMS as a secret. SDL changed its name to Relational Software. In RSI in 1979, they gained to Oracle System Corporation in 1983 to align itself more closely with its flagship product Oracle Database. At this stage, B.O.B. Minor served as the company's senior programmer. On March 12, 1986, the company had its initial offering. In 1986, the company Oracle has been took its initial offering. So the company has came into life. That's what they mean. In 1995, Oracle Systems Corporation changed the name to Oracle Corporation, officially named Oracle, but it's sometimes referred as Oracle Corporation. The name of the holding company, part of Oracle Corporation's early success, arose from using the C programming language to implement its products. This eased porting to different operating systems, most of which support C. In 2005, Oracle acquired PeopleSoft, an ERP company, and in 2006, Siebel, a CRM company. In 2008, Oracle acquired BEA Systems, an enterprise infrastructure software company, and in 2010, Sign Microsystems, an information technology company. This is what they these are the list of companies Oracle acquired. Oracle is an American MNC company. It's a multinational computer technology corporation headquartered in Austin, Texas. The company was formerly headquartered in Redwood Shores, California until December 2020, when it moved its headquarters to Texas. I request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you won't miss any job updates. And also please join in any of these groups so that you will be able to get daily job updates. Here you can see the complete designation of this. They are hiring for software development senior manager. Now let us see the complete job description. As a member of the Health Services Global Unit (HSGBU) development organization at Oracle, You will help build a global enterprise clinical trials management platform. In this role, you are expected to build, guide, and nurture a new product development team and manage a team of talent developers. You will be responsible to help plan and deliver high quality product in a timely manner. We are looking for an experienced software development leader who is strong team player, who can work across multiple functions, interact with different kind of stakeholders and cross-functional teams. In 2005, Oracle acquired PeopleSoft, an ERP company, and in 2006, Siebel, a CRM company. In 2008, Oracle acquired BES Systems, an enterprise infrastructure software company, and in 2010, Sun Microsystems, an information technology company. Arkan is an American multinational company. I request you to please apply for this job, and experience is at least of 10 years of professional experience. It's like 10 years of professional experience is needed for this job. Salary is negotiable. They haven't mentioned anything. Based on your current CTC, they will be offering. Location is Hyderabad, Bangalore, Noida, Gurgaon. Job responsibilities are like at least 10 years of professional experience, at least 3 years as a manager of individual contributes and high performance teams, experience delivering large multi-year projects on time, deep understanding of software engineering best practices and development processes, excellent oral and written communications and presentation skills, experience with project planning, estimation and agile software development process, experience in hiring, mentoring and grooming engineers, flexible to work with teams in various time zones. Bachelor degree in software engineering or equivalent technical experience is needed for this job. So I request you to please apply if you have at least of 10 years of experience. Skills needed are like experience in developing testing web applications with Java and major database technologies, experience working on cloud-based solutions, deep understanding of agile methodologies, knowledge of web services design patterns and best practices, experience with cloud services delivery a plus, experience in delivering microservices is a plus, hands-on and competent in coding and troubleshooting is needed. Last date to apply is 24/1/2022. January 24th, 21st, mm, 24th, 2022 is the last day to apply. I request you to please apply on or before if you have a proper experience. So, in order to apply, just click on this official link. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you won't miss any of the job opportunities. Here you can see we will be redirected to the Oracle website. Here you can see the complete description of this job. They are providing the job locations like Bangalore, Karnataka, India, Hyderabad, UP and so many other. Job posted date is 28/7/2021. So here you can see the complete job description of this. I request you to please click on this apply now option, and there are also some other job opportunities also. Just go through them. Now it seems to be they are hiring um, for the experienced guys, and you can find the video in the description link. On Oracle they are hiring for freshers also. I request you to please apply for that job also. If you want to apply, you can visit our website www.livejobsinfo.com also. So now we can see they wanted us to enter email address, and just click on this agree terms and conditions and click on next. Then it will ask some other details also. I request you to please just apply for everything, so you will be able to apply for this job. And I request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also please let us know what type of videos you want, like on which job descriptions you would like to get the jobs. Just comment below, and please subscribe. It gives us so much of motivation in doing more videos. I request you to please subscribe, and also if you have any concerns, please comment below or reach out us at livejobsinfo@gmail.com. Please like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get daily job updates, and also join in any of the groups in provided in the website. I request you to please subscribe, and please visit our website www.livejobsinfo.com, and you will find the complete job details like latest hirings. There are so many hirings now, so I request you to please go through them, and if you are eligible for any of them, just apply for these, and we will be providing daily job 5 job notifications for sure. I request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you won't miss any of this, and please comment below in the video so that we will be able to do more videos. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.